What's up guys, in this video I will show you a cryptocurrency exchange that is being used by 10 million users worldwide. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of BingX. Link to this will be in the description of the video. So just a quick recap guys, I'm sure you have watched the few videos that has been uploaded from our channel about the introduction of BingX and some of really the good features and the trading tips that was given by one of our content creators. Now for this video guys, I would like to give you more insights and some features that would really be helpful for you to make informed decisions and for you to get to know what you're getting yourself into, all right? So just like what I mentioned guys, BingX is one of the leading global cryptocurrency exchanges out there that is serving more than 10 million users worldwide, and they are offering a diverse suite of product listing, including the spot trading, including the derivatives, and the copy trading, and the asset management as well. So you can see this, you have the market, you have the spot, right? You have convert, launch pool, pre-launch pool. So you can go ahead and check this one out, guys. The derivatives, this is, I would strongly suggest, guys, that before you head onto the derivatives, of course, make sure that you know what you're getting yourself into. Study how to do technical analysis. I would suggest you go with copy trading first, because this will actually definitely be helpful, especially for those of you that are new and even those that are experienced already or intermediate in terms of trading, because you will be able to compare and check out technical analysis and all. You could, verify what you have done, and you could also follow and copy the trades from the experienced professional traders that they have here in BingX. You could go ahead and check that one out right there. Now, BingX is focusing on security and transparency, and it is evident through its rigorous measures to protect user assets. So the platform maintains 100% margin reserves, certified by global audit firm, which is Mazars, which provides proof of reserve certification to guarantee transparency. And additional to that, guys, BingX partners with top cybersecurity firms and has successfully passed security audits by leading security ranking organizations, which ensures a high level of trustworthiness and protection of users. And that is actually, personally guys, all right, personally, I am looking for centralized exchanges that has really good security, because I don't want something that would mess up or would put my assets in jeopardy. If you're gonna be asking me, I would be looking for a platform or for a centralized exchange that has really good security and that can help me, sleep soundly at night, right? Without anything to worry about it. So you can check out BingX, guys, as a secure wallet as well. And of course, guys, don't forget to use the link in the description so you could enjoy a 20% discount on your trading fees. All right, it's going to be available in the description, guys. So driven by a mission to make cryptocurrency accessible and friendly, BingX revisions itself as a gateway for the next billion users that is going to be entering the digital asset space. All right, so BingX's core values is also including to prioritize user experience, maintaining reliability with 24/7 global support. And that is also what I like the most with them, because in case, in the middle of the night, in my time zone, I would still be able to send a message or send a chat message, right? So that somebody would be able to get back to me and get me the answer to my question any time of the day. All right, so that is one outstanding, in my honest opinion, one outstanding feature that is very beneficial for its users, and it fosters innovation with advanced trading tools and strategies to help users enhance their trading skills. So the commitment to excellence has actually earned BingX accolades, such as being named as the best crypto exchange by TradingView for 3 consecutive years, and the fastest growing social trading platform by the Global Brands magazine in 2022. So you can go ahead and check that one out. Those are actually really good articles for you to check and, do your own review, of course, right? That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And guys, BingX also emphasizes strong community support, which offers round-the-clock customer service through multiple channels that includes live chats and email support, right? So with a dedication to trustworthiness and continuous innovation, guys, BingX remains at the forefront of the cryptocurrency exchange industry, and it aspires to inspire and support traders in their crypto journey. And you could check them out, guys. Here, if you click on buy crypto, you will see P2P trading. And in the P2P trading, guys, you will be able to choose whatever currency you prefer, right? PHP, USD, you have AED as well. Okay, let me change that. So I have AED as well. So if you are using AED, you could go ahead and do that as well. So it's actually, this is what makes crypto exchanges really great, right? Because again, not everybody in the world uses credit cards. Not everybody in the world is using like PayPal or whatnot. But, they would be able to do P2P. Why? Because if they are like doing bank transfers or if they are using like e-wallets and all, then there would be users that will be able to accommodate them and, do the exchange for them, right? So if you are also doing exchanges, and you would also be able to apply as being one of the merchants if you prefer. I mean, if you want to be one of the P2P traders or merchants, you could also go ahead and do that. I'm sure that if you communicate with the contact support, you could go ahead and ask them how you could also be one of the P2P merchants. That way, you could also make money out of this one. So copy trades, you have derivatives, you have this one right here. So let me go ahead and click on close. If you click on this, you will see that there are tons of cryptocurrency tokens that you could trade on. So this is actually like a one-stop shop cryptocurrency wise. You would be able to, stay in here, do your trades here, do your P2P or do your withdrawals and all that in here as well. So again, guys, make sure to avail all of the discounts that are available here, and you would also be able to check them out. You could go to the rewards hub and then see for yourself, what are the things that are available for me. Like what are the first deposits, the advanced identification. Those are like rewards that you could get by doing those tasks. So you could head on to the rewards hub and do this corresponding rewards. That way you could get free tokens or free rewards from the platform. So again, guys, if you haven't watched the videos yet, you could go ahead and check them out. There are a lot of very informative videos in our channel that would help you out in knowing more about BingX. But again, in this video, I was able to discuss, what are the things that are, what are the important things and features that I feel you guys need to know about BingX. And you have the P2P, you have the tons of tokens that you could trade on, you have the rewards hub as well, and of course, a lot more at stake. And you could go ahead and check there more out. You would be able to check out the BingX Academy, you have the Help Center, the BingX Glossary, and a lot more. That would be very, very helpful in terms of you getting to know what you're getting yourself into and making informed decisions before you sign up, before you start investing your prized possession. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.